Hi, it's me, Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment like press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, CNC machines, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a machine. I really don't know if I want to call this a used machine. It is almost new, 70 hours, year 2023. Here you can see the Hurco TM6i in absolutely brand new condition. Dual monitor system, turret with coolant through, hydraulic tailstock, tool presetter. Take a look at all the walls of this machine, all the metal. Barely even a scratch, even on the chip auger. This machine was used in a prototype facility with very, very low hours. As we said, 70 hours is all it has. Comes with all the tooling in the turret. We'll show you here the spindle. Of course, quiet as can be. We'll do a couple tool changes. You can see very, very nice running machine. Now we strive to buy the best machinery possible for you guys out there. When we do, we're very excited. As you can see, everything you see here comes with the machine. Here's your chip conveyor. If you're looking for a brand new machine today at a used price, Sterling Machinery has everything you need. Give us a call at 626-444-0311 or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. If you have any machinery for sale, please let us know as well. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.